Each member of this family is a distinct thread, different in grounding, comfort, and outlook. They together form a bright, joyful weave, much like the colorful checkered saris of South India, blending in and standing out all at once. Their life is a gentle negotiation between contrasts, and these contrasts don't clash. They complement, creating a seamless tapestry of their journey. We call them the Oval Kind.
Hey, this is Padmakshri, founder Between Homes India.
And I am Madhumita, founder of Between Homes India.
So we are here in one of our clients' place. It's pretty nostalgic because it's about 1.5 years since we completed this project. And what is very unique about this project is when our client Kaveri had actually contacted us. This was actually a fully done up house. She had seen one of our video which we had posted of the same configuration about 5-6 floors below, and she found certain elements very interesting, and that's what propelled her to contact us.
Or a dream house, everybody has that in mind. So I feel that this is my dream house. I'm Kaveri alias Chitra. My main objective was to renovate the kitchen. That was my main objective. But then, since after connecting with you, after learning your entire process, we were keen on changing certain items, which was not there in our plan. So we were blank completely.
When I had visited the house for the first time, so my observation was that they had shifted from an independent home. So they had a lot of things which they had to fit into an apartment, which itself was a challenge. And the house was also completely done. So, which means all the fixed furnitures were all in place already. So the question was for us also, like, how do we really, relook at this?
Just renovation. That other than a word we could use. But adukapurama in the lifestyle change, adella newer concept, color, whatever you mentioned in the initial or that was new to us. So we haven't heard about that conceptual living, lifestyle change. Adella lifestyle change la nama doctor kitta mattum dhaan kettirukom.
Through Between's way of saying, we believe that home is special for every individual. So from that point of view, the four important characters of the home, they all had their own personality that they brought in. Satish, he's a busy person. He keeps traveling up and down for work, and the time he is here, he wants to spend with his family. And his love for comics comes across very, very clearly from his childhood. And he's a very nostalgic person where he has a lot of affinity, where he likes collecting things and does not want to give away because of his memory and all of that. While Chitra, she likes everything organized both inside and outside, and she enjoys curating a space now and then, setting the space up.
OCD person. So, நான் மட்டுமே அது பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது இப்போ after organizing everything, this experience comes after implementing all this renovation. So, இப்போ is kind of everybody likes to keep it clean and maintain it properly. Initially, I was the person who was taking everything on my head. But now even Ashmita wants to keep everything organized. She keeps asking me, Amma, can you buy this organizer from me from Murugan stores? So, andha madri hava aita.
Abhi is a very, very passionate person. His love for robotics in a very young age shows the level of commitment that he could actually go to, and considering that his current thing for gaming and the RGB colors and his love for anime, this was all like happening parallelly. And Ashmita is this kid in between all the three personalities who used to jump around and then be that playful person who could, like, you know, bond all of them with that cheer. And how all the characters which we spoke about can, you know, work in parallel and also kind of come together as, you know, 2, 3 or 4. That was really, really interesting for us to, like, you know, slowly understand and then put things together for.
Through the interest, for example, my son likes, Abhi likes video game. So he wanted to have his space. Amanukku oru space. So Ashmithakku oru space. And Satish likes comics. Amanukku space. It's not only me, but respective ellarku ella space we could accommodate in this renovation. We were kind of happy.
So when it comes to a renovation, especially a project of this nature, they've already made the entire expense. The space is fully done up. So as a designer, if you ask whether, you know, it's worth renovating a newly done up home, yes, there are 100 possibilities, but what our expected outcome is the question mark. So from that point of view, when the client saw value in the project that we had done and they were able to sense the gap that they had in this current home, which they had put their heart and soul in building, then we were also geared up to really see what we could, you know, help them do with it. So from that point of view, it was you know, a back and forth to understand what is okay, what is not okay, where to spend, where not to spend. And even if we're refurbishing and then you know, juggling certain things around, then what do we do without you know, consuming further, but at the same time trying to reuse and refurbish or repurpose most of the things and still achieve whatever we could actually achieve.
We were totally satisfied. That is most important part. Than giving a feedback, we are satisfied with the service provided by Between.